Nod Pwyllgor Ienctid yw rhoi mwy o llais i pobl ifanc ar natur yn y Parc Cenedlaethol a helpu i fynd ar alffal a rhai o'r materion amgylcheddol mawr sy'n ei wynebu. Rydym wedi creu manifesto Ienctid ar gyfer Sir Penfro yn chylch materion a wneud a dysgu byw a gweithio mewn ardaloedd gwledig a gwarchoddig. Rydym wedi bod yn rhan o Ymgyrch Outright UNICEF 2012 a sut y bydd newid yn y Hinsawdd yn effeithio ar Hawliau Plant pobl ifanc.
Kids deserve every opportunity to reach their full potential, but climate change puts all of this at risk, especially for disadvantaged children who are already vulnerable.
A child sees what we cannot see. Their voices are more important than ever before. All children have the right to voice their opinions and concerns. Visit UNICEF to find out more.
I think it is important that no child is affected by greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases are a main cause of climate change, and we need to raise awareness